Hi, myself Dr. V.S. Rathore. I am an aesthetic plastic surgeon working in the city of Kolkata. My clinic is Kayakal Cosmetic and Laser Surgery Clinic, Kakurgachi. Nowadays, non-surgical treatment is increasing in numbers. Many patients don't want to undergo the knife surgery. They say, Doc, if you have anything which can correct what are the problems they are presenting non-surgically or not. So there are plethora of treatment modalities which can be done non-surgically to improve many various body parts. So likewise there are fillers. As we all know, Botox, they take care of the wrinkles. The fillers, they are used for the facial rejuvenation. But now body fillers are there. So patients come for non-surgical augmentation of buttocks, calf, thighs, biceps, some corrections in the arms, even a creation of a six-pack abdomen. And women do want to augment their or increase their breast without surgery. So now we are having body fillers which are also made up of hyaluronic acids in a pre-filled syringe. The only difference between the facial fillers and the body filler is that the body filler you get in 10 ml amount and it is injected with 18 gauge needle. So today I have done a breast augmentation by body fillers. You can see so many fillers. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this lady was having an hypoplastic right breast. That means the right side of the breast was smaller as compared to the left side. So I injected these body fillers around 19 syringes into her right breast so that both the breasts are symmetric. And you can see in this figure the correction which we have achieved by injecting body fillers.